Look what happened. Look at this. This is upsetting. Somebody hit my car. I cannot believe this. Where's this? It's here. This is the spot. I know that only because it's got this little... Oh no, that's not even it. That's not even it. Where is it? Oh my God. I thought that was the spot. That's not even the spot. I don't even know where it is. All right, if you saw my last videos, I've got a big happy update on the dent that I had here in this spot. Check this out now. Look at this fix. Look at it. Can you even tell where the dent was? I really can't. I don't even know where it was at this point. I'll put some pictures here in the video too that you can like study, because I literally cannot figure out. I mean, the dent was somewhere like right around here, but I can't find any signs of the dent. So really, this video is just to show what a fantastic job that this place did. Easy Tech in Naperville, Paintless Dent Repair. The guys there are great. I'm gonna kind of show some footage of me just telling them how great they are and what a great job they did here. But yeah, all the information is below on them. Highly recommended. So they wanted my car for a couple days, and then after the first day, I dropped it off in the morning. After the first day, before the end of the day, they said, you know what, we're done with it. We were able to get it done. Before I talked about how they might have to like go through the rear bumper to get up into this area, but they told me that they came in from actually from behind through the trunk and got in there, if you're curious at all. But yeah, you see me in the videos. The guys who work there, who actually did the work, they speak very little English, and were obviously either really shy or just annoyed with me. But I was just telling them how happy I was about the job that they did. So anyway, check that out. Check out the pictures. I'll put at the end of the video, and that's it. So happy outcome. However, it did cost me some money. They charged what did they charge, like $600 to fix this. So I was trying to get some video footage from, well, as I said in my other video, from my car. First of all, Sentry just sucks. I am going to go through, I'm going to pull out the USB and put it on my computer, see if there's any footage there that's not showing up for some reason, you know, in the UI and the computer on the screen in the Tesla. I'll go through that, but the only other place where I may have had some video was this happened in front of a Domino's Pizza. They have a security camera inside that, you know, will kind of cover the front and would see a car backing out, which is what I think happened. They backed out and hit my car, and they won't give me the footage. So it's not that they won't give me the footage. They just, I talked to the manager at the store. They say your name and number, and we'll have the general manager call you up. They have footage that they can give you from, you know, it was 24, 48 hours ago. And the guy never calls. He never calls. I call over there a couple times. They don't call. So that was kind of my only hope, to get somebody who, you know, maybe I could get some kind of reimbursement for or whatever. But I don't know. And that's just me suspecting what happened. I have no real proof of it, other than it's kind of where it must have happened, just based on where my car was, not dented before that time and after. So anyway, so yeah, that would have been better news, but I'm happy. I'm just happy to have the car back the way it was, and yeah. Where I could see like some kind of deformity, and I can't find it. Oh my God. Guys, I can't recommend this place enough. Now look, my car wasn't exactly like totaled, but it obviously had a good sized dent right in this body line, and I don't know where it was. I don't even know where it was anymore. Oh my God. Holy crap. All right, I'm gonna show you the guys that fixed this. This is the team that fixed the car, right? So it's perfect. I mean, it's perfect.
It's okay.
I don't know where it was. I don't even know where the dent was. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. Well, yeah, when I look now, I expect to see something, but I can't find anything.
That's how it's supposed to be a real PDR job.
Yeah, man, it's even, holy crap.
Then we don't have to do any paint work.
That is amazing. So, yeah, highly recommend you guys.
All right, thank you very much.
And I already thanked your artists in there. But yeah, it's fantastic. That's fantastic. Yeah, thanks so much. It's great.
All right, you're welcome, and have a nice day.
You too. You too. I'll see you. bye.